Are you looking for flexible, high-paying opportunities to boost your income, especially on weekends and evenings? This video explores 5 lucrative local service side hustles: power washing, window cleaning, lawn care, handyman services, and junk removal. We'll cover everything from earnings potential and startup costs to client acquisition and scaling, all based on 2024 industry data. First up, power washing, a service where you can earn between $150 to $400 per day, with full-time professionals averaging $225,000 annually. Startup costs range from $500 to $2,500, including a basic electric pressure washer for $300 to $800, or a gas model for $500 to $1,500. Essential equipment also includes a surface cleaner for driveways, an extension wand, hoses, nozzles, and eco-friendly detergents. To get your first clients, utilize platforms like Nextdoor, Facebook local groups, Craigslist, or distribute flyers and door hangers in target neighborhoods. Pricing strategies often involve charging 25 cents to 50 cents per square foot for driveways and siding, or flat rates between $200 and $500 for a house exterior. Schedule jobs for evenings and weekends to avoid daytime disruptions, aiming for 2 to 4 jobs per day, with scaling potential by hiring helpers. Remember to secure a general business license, which costs $50 to $400, and liability insurance ranging from $500 to $1,500 annually. Next, let's explore window cleaning, a service that can bring in $200 to $500 per day, with top part-time earners reaching $100,000 annually. Startup costs are relatively low, from $200 to $800, covering a squeegee kit, an extension pole, and basic buckets and soap. For higher-rise buildings, a water-fed pole system costing $300 to $600 can be a valuable investment, along with deionized water for streak-free results. Find clients through Nextdoor recommendations, Facebook Marketplace, local groups, or by partnering with realtors for new listings. Pricing typically ranges from $5 to $15 per window, or flat rates of $120 to $350 for residential homes, and 50 cents to $1 per square foot for commercial properties. Schedule jobs post-rainy days or during spring and fall, aiming for 3 to 5 homes per day on evenings and weekends. Scaling involves training a team and general liability insurance, costing $400 to $1,000 annually, is typically required. Moving on to lawn care, where you can earn $30 to $60 per hour or $300 to $1,000 weekly during peak seasons. Startup costs are between $500 and $2,000, including a push mower for $200 to $400 or a commercial walk-behind for $800 to $1,500. Essential equipment also includes a string trimmer, a blower, and for efficiency, a zero-turn mower for scaling, which costs $3,000 or more. Attract clients through Nextdoor offers, Facebook community groups, Craigslist, or by going door-to-door in suburban areas. Pricing ranges from $30 to $60 per hour, $40 to $80 for a weekly mow of a quarter-acre lot, with add-ons like edging and trimming costing $50 to $100. Schedule early mornings and weekends during peak spring and fall seasons, with scaling potential by establishing recurring routes. A pesticide applicator license may be needed if fertilizing, and liability insurance typically costs $500 to $1,200 annually. Now, let's talk about handyman services, where you can earn $50 to $100 per hour or $500 to $1,500 per day. Startup costs are manageable, from $300 to $1,000, covering a cordless drill set, various saws, and a multi-tool kit. Essential equipment includes power tools like drills and circular saws, hand tools such as hammers and levels, and a sturdy ladder. Find clients by responding to help-needed posts on Nextdoor, joining local Facebook groups, or utilizing lead generation platforms like Angie and Thumbtack. Pricing is typically $50 to $100 per hour plus materials, with minimums often set at $100 per job. Schedule flexibly for evenings and weekends, batching small jobs together, with scaling potential by subcontracting specialists. A handyman license may be required for jobs under $500 in some states, and liability insurance costs $600 to $1,500 annually. Finally, let's explore junk removal, a service where you can earn $100 to $500 per load, or $400 to $1,000 per day. Startup costs range from $1,000 to $5,000, including a trailer for $1,000 to $3,000, dump fees, and essential gear like gloves and dollies. Key equipment includes a 14 to 26-foot trailer, ramps, straps, heavy-duty bags, and potentially partnerships with dumpsters. Secure clients through next-door clean-out posts, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist gigs, or by targeting estate sales. Pricing is typically $100 to $200 for a mini load, for $100 to $600 for a full truck, or volume-based at 50 cents to $1 per cubic foot. Schedule bulk jobs for weekends and smaller tasks for evenings, with scaling potential through fleet expansion and recycling revenue. A hauling permit and waste transporter license may be required, along with commercial auto and liability insurance costing $1,000 to $2,500 annually. Among these options, window cleaning stands out as the easiest to start immediately, with the lowest startup costs at around $200. It requires minimal equipment that fits in a car, no special vehicle or advanced skills, and offers quick jobs with high demand year-round. Power washing is a close second, offering higher earnings but requiring more storage space for equipment. These side hustles offer incredible flexibility and earning potential for anyone looking to supplement their income. Choose the one that best fits your skills and resources and start building your financial future today.